Hello friends, welcome to the new course about the time management. This course is less about time management, more about productivity. How you can get more done within the given time. The concept of time management, prima facie it is a wrong concept. The time is ticking every second. It is slipping like sand out of your hands. And if you do not manage yourself, the question of time management does not arise. So in this entire course, I am going to talk about how you can get more results out of the time available to you. So this is more about self-discipline, less about time management. The concept of time management is an illusion. Why? Because that is ticking on its own. You cannot stop it. What you can do, you can manage yourself. So as far as the productivity is concerned, within the given time, friends, there are two aspects to that. One is what you can do to be more productive. And another aspect, which is generally ignored, but the most important thing is emotional aspect, right? So just to understand the basics of time management, there are two things Number one, emotional aspect. And number two, self-discipline. As far as self-discipline is concerned, I'll give you a number of tools and techniques so that you can get more done. But I said the main issue, which is generally not discussed by the coaches, that is about emotional aspect of the time management. Now, as far as emotional aspect is concerned, this is about your mental state. Mental state that is also manageable, but prima facie mental state I can divide in two stages. You can be in positive state of mind, or you can be in the negative state of mind. Either positive or negative. When it is a negative state of mind, anger, frustration, stress, anxiety, depression, and some more names can be added. All these are negative states of mind. And when you are positive state, happy, joyful, confident, these are referred as positive states of mind. Now, what is the relation of the mental state or emotional state on productivity? Understand something very seriously. If you are in the negative state of mind, your energy gets drained. You feel lethargic. don't feel like doing anything. The very first the effect of negative state of mind, energy get drained. Number 2, there are stuck up thoughts. And all these thoughts are also negative. There is no positivity in those thoughts. Then, no creativity. Creativity comes to 0 and you don't feel like working effectively, productivity also comes down to 0. So, even if you know hundreds of tools about the time management which are referred here, those are useless unless you can manage your mental state. So, the very first thing required about the productivity, about the self-discipline, it is the emotional state of mind, and that has to be positive. Right now, I just talked about what is negative state, and these are only examples. There are a long list of the emotions which are referred as negative states of mind. Effect, energy gets drained. Number 2, you have stuck up thoughts. Number 3, there is no creativity. Effectively, no productivity. What happens when you are in the positive state of mind? You are happy, you are joyful, you are confident. The very first effect is you are always energetic and you are always creative. So, when you have energy plus you have creative thoughts, action is going to be there and you are going to be more and more productive. I will do a separate course on how to manage your mental state. That also you can subscribe later on. Right now, just understand this thing, that regarding time management, 2 aspects are there. Number 1, self-discipline. Number 2, emotional state of mind. So, the emotional state of mind, either it can be negative or this can be positive. If it is negative, that is either anger or frustration or stress or anxiety or depression or something like this. The very first effect is you feel like energy has been drained. The creativity comes down to 0. Energy is not there, creativity is not there, ultimately productivity also comes down to 0. So, what you have to do is you have to be in the positive state of mind, and that is happiness, that is joyfulness, that is confidence, and the effect of that is you get more energetic, you have creative thoughts. So, where energy plus creative thoughts come together, there is action and that brings good results. See you in the next video.